All right, so I know I said I was dropping US30 for a little bit, but we've kind of broke back in within a normal trading range. So I'm just going to do an analysis. If this idea ends up playing out and we can catch a move, so be it. But sent over a gold analysis as well. So we'll have two things to kind of focus on here. Again, if you notice anything special here, none of these zones have changed. Again, we've traded above this overall range here for about a week now, maybe even more, maybe closer to 10 days. So again, what are we going to be looking at here, right? There's a ton of negativity going on throughout the U.S., whether it's financial news or just current global news. So in my opinion, my bias is to the short side, right? We've seen this bullish run kind of get taken over. We've eaten out that whole newer high time frame all-time highs eaten out. We ate it up in pretty much one 4-hour candle, pulled back up, and then we ate up that whole move back into this overall range, right? So in my opinion, there is a decent amount of bearish pressure within the market, right? Pretty much only looking at one potential move going into tomorrow's session, which again would be to break below this current resistance we formed, right? I'm going to pull price up on a lower time frame just so we can take a look at it, right? You go down to the 15-minute here, and as you can see, this overall area has been a support, right? You kind of dive back on the 1 hour, nice support, price wick down, and kind of started trading back above. You kind of go back over here. Again, we're focusing on this overall zone right here. And you can see clean resistance, clean support, price breaks below, higher probability of this overall move taken out. We've taken this short before, so that's pretty much the overall idea, right? Going with the momentum, going with the overall flow of the market here. So the overall move I'd be looking for would be that impulse entry to target the breakout of this zone. If there is a pullback, we'll catch it. If not, we'll catch the move down. And that's going to pretty much be the only idea I'm looking for going into US30, whether it's Thursday or Friday's session. Again, if we pull back up and price does pop back up into this overall range up here, is what it is. But figured I'd send over a quick analysis on US30 just because price has been moving a little bit smoother, kind of got out of that overall range and all-time high range we were trading in. And again, tons of negativity going on in the US and financial news. So looking at the short side of things here, kind of targeting that overall correction. If you see, if I highlight this next area down here, let's do blue. Right, you can see this isn't even that big of a correction. Again, super strong level within the market on this higher time frame. And again, I think it's a clean level to anticipate to see price go if we are going to continue to the bearish side of things here. So again, quick analysis, nothing super complicated. So if you haven't had your charts up, area we're kind of holding right now is roughly that 34,905 area, and we really would be targeting that 34,762 area. Again, quick analysis, nothing super complicated on this one, just kind of anticipating the flow of things is going to be that bearish move. If we don't see it take place, it's kind of behind us, but figured I'd map it out and have it drawn up just in case we do see this kind of come into play. So I will be setting an alert to see if price does break one below this overall zone down here, right there, and then really anticipating to break below this minor blue horizontal line just to continue that overall flow down to that next zone. Roughly 130 pips to that next zone, so we'll see if we can't catch it to the downside. If it doesn't present itself, we got a good gold analysis to target whether it's Thursday or Friday, but we'll see what happens on both sides of things here.